Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Issu's Tiny Kingdom. In this video, I would like to share some sensory come messy plays that I have given to my 15-month-old. So here we go. First, play with pom-pom balls. As I have told in my previous videos, pom-pom balls make an excellent material for any DIY. Here I have put the pom-pom balls in a bowl with water and put a strainer along with it. This would help in sensory and fine motor skills. Second is nature sensory bin. Throw in some leaves and flowers into a bowl of water. Your kid will love playing with it and keep them occupied for a long time. If you have time, you can also sit along with them and talk to them about nature. Next again, make use of pom-pom balls. Here I have put the pom-pom balls in an ice tray and let her explore the ice melting and letting out the pom-poms. I have also thrown in some magnetic fish toys which can add to fine motor skills. Next is using rainbow rice. This is a sure hit among kids. Along with sensory, they can learn scooping, which aids in fine motor skills. Making rainbow rice is easy and can be stored for a long time. This is my go to activity when I need to keep her busy. You can also do something creative in festive occasions like this, which I have done for Christmas. They would just love to dig their hands and get messy. Next activity is with some colors. What's life without colors, right? Same with kids. Let them get messy with colors. It helps them in soothing themselves. Here I have given a filler with food color water and let her color the tissues with the same. Will help them in learning colors and it also aids in fine motor skills. Next year, I have given some sponge dabber brushes to paint an old t-shirt of hers. You can also give them a chart to use the brushes. I am sure in the beginning, more than using the colors on the chart or paper, they would love to use it on their body. That's how they learn about different things. That's why a sensory play is called a messy play, because in these plays, we don't give them any instructions. We just let them be them and allow them to play. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.